What is the proper video format for YouTube? We're going to go over that in this video. The video format for YouTube, not the YouTube short, just the regular YouTube videos, is you want a resolution of 190/20 by 1080. You want to be a MPEG-4. So if you're doing Blender, you want to change it from the PNG by default to the FMPEG video, change the container to MPEG-4. The video codec, that's fine. But the one that you do have to change is the audio codec. So you want to change that to the AAC. MP3 will work on Windows, but not on Mac. So AAC is the universal audio format. So that is the format that you need to do in order to render for YouTube. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.